Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, January 11th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we survived a Friday, and it wasn't too bad. Actually, the Dow continued this pattern of not doing too much today, and it is a little boring. Stocks it seems to be low volume and no volatility, but you know, unlike sometimes happens when we've seen that pattern in the past, we start losing quite a bit of money. We didn't lose money today. We actually made money. And so I am not going to complain on a day we make money, even though it was kind of boring. We closed out positive $6,600 today. That's pretty decent. We won't complain. We got into 4 new trades. Only 1 was positive, 3 were negative, and we are carrying negative 2,200 over the weekend. But that's certainly not going to break the bank, and we won't worry about that. You can see here what happened with the Dow. It opened lower, and then it was like it was trying to rally all day, and it ended up closing down only 6 points. So technically that broke this 5 days in a row that the Dow had gone positive. Had a tiny negative today, but if you notice this pattern where it starts out lower and then builds all day, that we've seen that pattern I think for 3 or 4 days, and what it tells me is that this is a pretty strong market that just does not want to go down, and that's good. I think maybe we might get a breakout to the top side early next week, possibly even Monday, who knows. But I don't like to predict these things because stocks are unpredictable, as you know. I don't have much to show you. I just will show you one good trade we had. And this is Global Blood Therapeutics. That's a nice name for a company. Global Blood Therapeutics, GBT. And this, of course, is a biotech stock. And yesterday we had bought this about the middle of the day. It actually, on the opening range this morning, it was actually negative. But then we had this really powerful move right at the beginning of the day. And as a result, we got out there pretty nicely with about $2,200 in closed out trade in Global Blood Therapeutics. So that's the way it went. Hey, you guys have a fantastic weekend, and I'll be back here on Monday trading as usual.